In this video today, we're taking a look at the Anker SOLIX PS400 portable solar panel. So this one is capable of doing up to 400 watts, but that also depends on the type of sun you are getting. We've got outdoor charging with 1.5 times higher conversion. It is weather resistant for IP67 rating, 4 adjustable angles, and we also have scratch resistant, long lasting durability. This also does come with a 2-year warranty. But here's everything that we're going to be getting in the box with this thing. So we have our panel right here that is all folded up. It's got a great handle on it. I'll show you how to use these stands in a second. And then we've also got 2 10-foot extension cables. These are the MC4 extension cables. And then we've also got a converter that's going to bring it from MC4 over to the XT60, which we're going to use to test out to plug into our SOLIX F3800 to test out the kind of output that we're going to be getting on this guy right here. But let me go ahead and get this guy set up. And you know what, really quickly, let's show you guys right here. So this is one of the legs. These legs do snap down, so you can snap it on and off or pop it up and down right here. But then here is where you're going to adjust your angles. So we've got the one that lays it flat, and then we also have 3 other options right here. And I guess this doesn't actually lay it flat. It allows it to stick up a little bit right here that you can see. So that is one of the angles right there. I believe the angles come in 20, 40, 60, and 80 degrees that you can adjust it for right here. And current sun right now, I'm gonna guess we're probably gonna be pretty flat. Sun's pretty high above us right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust that. That's going to allow us to open this up all the way and get this thing almost laid flat down to the ground. But let me set that up and show you guys really quick. Okay, so first I want to start by opening this thing all the way up. So let's see here. I'm going to lay it that way. We're going to fold this up this way. So we got that laid down. And like I mentioned, I want to do my adjusting so that way it opens up flat all the way. So let's adjust that there. We're going to adjust this one here. And that one looks good adjusted right there. Now, I typically like to start at least by making sure that the middle one is adjusted to where it needs to be. So we're going to come over here and open it up, get this thing set up. And then, like I said, I like to do the middle one here first. And that just makes the ones on the side a little bit easier. So we're going to adjust that one there. Okay, so that one's laid out. Let's get this box out of the way. Now, it does look a little bit funky when you're initially trying to set it up, but once we get this last leg up here, it's going to look a lot better. And there we go. So, let me look at the sun. Sun's facing right about there. So, do a little bit of adjusting with this. Turn it a little bit right there. Get our legs straightened up. Legs straightened up. All right. Okay, so now we have it straightened up. The sun is pretty much above us, but we're going to go ahead and get our cables connected and see what kind of draw we're going to get from these solar panels right here. All right, so I want to give you guys an idea of what it looks like here on the back with these different straps that we have. So the straps are all laid out. You can see it right here, and we've got it on the farthest one. So our string is all the way extended, and do keep in mind that as this is laying, the connectors are going to be on this side right here. So I'm going to get these connectors connected, and then we'll get it connected to our battery bank over here. All right, these are really easy to connect up. You're just going to plug one into one side and one into the other. We see that we do have a rubber coating right here, which is going to seal these up, make sure nothing can get in there. We're just going to snap it in right there. Perfect. Let's go ahead and get it plugged in on the other side. Okay, so over here on this side, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take our connectors and connect them up here. That is going to bring us to the one connection that we have right here for our XT60 connector. And I'm going to go ahead and get it plugged in. It's going to take a second here to start seeing any of our internal power coming in, or our input, I guess. So right now we got 28, 66, 98. So this is slowly going to pump up right here, and we can also see how many days, hours, minutes it's going to take for us to fully charge this guy up. All right, so we seem to have kind of stopped here at our 185 input. I'm going to do a little bit more adjusting, see if we can't bump that up a little bit more. All right, so it looks like 223, 222 is the max we're going to be able to get out of our current sun angle right now. Now, I have gotten up to close to about 300 on this thing, never up to 400 on there. But this is what the panels look like. I really enjoy having this setup right here and being able to adjust the angles and having these kickstands. The only thing that I don't understand is why this panel right here has no kickstand on it. It does cause, you can see, a bit of drooping on that one right there. It would be nice if all four of these had one of these kickstands, but unfortunately they didn't put one on here. Otherwise, this works great. I love that it has a handle on it. We're taking a look at no glass on here, which is nice, so there's no scratch resistant material. It's almost like a plasticky rubber that is on there. So I like the material of it. Works out great, handles great, but just to give you an idea, this is what you can expect from the Anker SOLIX PS400 portable solar panel.